what can you expect for Bitcoin in the next few weeks? So a couple of weeks ago, we've made a video talking about Bitcoin itself and the expectations for the next weeks to come. And we were talking about Bitcoin when it was around $85,000 level. We were talking about a potential head and shoulders pattern printing, and since then we've managed to claim all the way out to 97.7k on the weekly. And let's see where we are at right now, and let's see what we can expect in the next few weeks and months of 2026. So even though we had this price rise all the way out to 97k, we could be seeing higher levels, although the head and shoulders pattern that we spoke about could already played out. That's a possibility. I would say that's a possibility of around 20 to 30% in my opinion. Right now we are testing the 87k, and that's actually a CME gap which was there for Bitcoin to claim. So in the next, I would say 2 to 3 weeks, we would have an indication of whether we're going for higher levels, as we said, targeting 105 to 110 levels, or this might be the start of a deeper pullback. So the next, I would say 2 to 3 weeks will be key for us to have a precise understanding of where the price is going. And if this is in fact a right shoulder already printed, a small right shoulder, then the next levels I would be looking at is around $70,000 for Bitcoin. So as I said, I would give that scenario 20 to 30% chances of happening. Right now we are not looking too bad because the RSI is close to oversold levels, and obviously the CME gap that we've mentioned has been filled already. So 2 to 3 weeks is our indication of whether we're going for that 105, 107 to fully create that right shoulder, which would correspond with the left shoulder, as you can see. So right now, personally, I'm watching the chart on a weekly, seeing how we close this week. Potentially, what I would like to see happen is reclaim of around 90,000. That would already give me a good indication that we could see higher levels of Bitcoin. So lower time frames as well, that's an interesting thing to see. We've reached very oversold levels on the RSI. So even though we had this sharp pullback from 97 to 88 right now, the RSI is very oversold. So a nice reaction this week to potentially close above 90k would be great to see, and then continuation higher to the levels I've mentioned, if this is in fact the bullish scenario that we are looking at. If not, then as we said, 70,000 would be on the table in the next few months. So right now, nothing is lost just yet. I think we could be seeing a lot of price volatility, mainly because of the economic news around Trump, tariffs, and EU being in a debate on the Greenland situation. So all of these things do have a huge impact on the price of Bitcoin, as it is a risk on asset for many people. So let's see how we finish this week, and also let's watch the price in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and that will give us an indication of where we could be going in Q1 of 2026. So this was a short update on Bitcoin. This is the way I'm playing the market personally. None of this is financial advice. I'm just making these videos just so I can look back and see how accurate we were in reading the market of Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.